Wanna know how to reactivate your Evernote account? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Daily Tutorials. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. Today, I'll be using Chrome. You can use a suitable browser of your choice. So first of all, tap on it. Tap on the search or type web address and search here the official website of the Evernote itself, that is www.evernote.com/settings.action. This will take you to the official website of the Evernote itself. Tap on email address or username. Keep your email address that you want to reactivate or even the username. Tap on continue below after this. Tap on password and try to enter the password connected to this particular email address. Tap on sign in below. You can see that user account particular.com has been deactivated. Would you like to reactivate it? Tap on this reactivate. You can see that please fill in the form and we'll send you a reactivation email so you can start using Evernote again. So keep your email address again and tap on reactivate below. Now go to the email address. So I am onto the email address of my own, so I'm going to tap on this Evernote notification on the top. I do have a notification, so I'm going to tap on it, and then now tap on reactivate my account on the bottom left with this green background. Tap on new password. Keep a very new password that you want to use again after reactivating. Make sure to make it stronger of 8 characters long using the uppercase, lowercase symbol and a number. Tap on confirm new password and keep your very new password. If you want to revoke all of your existing application sessions, tap on this gap just in front of this revoke one. Tap on reset on the bottom. So just by doing it, you can see that you have successfully reactivated your Evernote account. Tap on the 3 straight parallel lines on the top right corner again, and you can see that you're onto your own Evernote account. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.